Good morning. Today I am making sauerkraut. Also because I'm on this program called Skinny 60, which I'm actually calling it Sexy 60 because for me it's more about energy and getting revitalized. So I'm doing it with my friend Tess Masters, who heads up this program, and it's an amazing program. So it's more plant-based, and she encourages us to eat sauerkraut, and so many other people do as well, because it's your prebiotics. And the best way to get prebiotics and probiotics is through natural foods. And so it's really easy to do. You slice it up, and then I wash it in water and apple cider vinegar, and then I drain it, and then you just put salt on it, and then you squish and squish and squish and squeeze it in because you want to massage it in, and I make it fun. And when I do this, I send energy to it, like giving this cabbage massage, thanking this cabbage. I know, it's just cheesy, right? And then I put it in a mason jar. And on top of the mason jar, you want to save a few pieces of cabbage that are bigger pieces to press down on it so that you will be able to press in as the liquid forms. It doesn't, I don't know the right words for you guys. I just know I have to have a piece of cabbage on top, or a few, to be able to press down with all the others, okay? So the salt will ferment the cabbage, okay? And every couple days you wanna burp it. I learned this from my friend Christy. And so you just open it up and let it breathe, and then you press everything down so that the liquids can be there, otherwise mold will grow, okay? So I like to bless my food as well, and especially if I'm making something. And you can just do this with a pendulum. I'm gonna switch hands here because I don't have my little holder. Okay, so I make sure that my energy is grounded and I'm in a happy space. And so then I will just put my pendulum over the item, and I ask, are there any negative effects of this for me? And if it rocks yes, oh, okay, it does. Then I ask it to clear. Please clear all negative side effects for me from this item. And then it will turn, whichever, or spin, whichever way is your clearing. So that's my clearing, and please continue to spin till finished. Awesome. So sometimes it only takes a little while, sometimes it takes longer. And then I ask, can this be optimized for my energy? Awesome. Can you please install the energies to optimize for me? So I say optimize because sometimes you need to drain something, sometimes you need to boost it. Optimizing will just do what it needs to, okay? And so, boom. So now my food is blessed and it's healthy. So you can do this, any item that you make, foods. I do that a lot of times with the food that I'm preparing for Bella and I, and it's just to harmonize it for our body and to optimize it for our mental clarity, health, you know, whatever it is, digestion, sleep, whatever you're asking for or you're wanting, ask for it and install that energy. So have fun with your foods and have some sauerkraut.